How will the funny chicken know how to fly, Grandpa?
Oh, when she feels the breeze ruffle her feathers and sees the sun beckoning in the sky, there's something inside of her that'll tell her what she really is. You're an eagle, not a chicken. Now spread your wings and fly.
Sorry, Dad.
No, don't be. You tried, and that's what's important. Now, next time, just aim a little higher. Right? Good job.
Where are we going, Grandpa?
Higher. This is home. This is where you belong. This ought to do it.
Why do we come up here?
Sometimes you need a better view of the goal before you can reach it. You're an eagle, not a chicken. Spread your wings and fly.
Well, maybe the farmer was right, Grandpa. Maybe all she was ever meant to be is a chicken.
Henry, you out here? Coach tells me you're quitting the team. You know, life's not a coast downward. It's a constant climb up. Every step we take should bring us closer to the summit of our expectation. If we continually reach higher and higher, ultimately, we'll be able to see where we belong.
Where are we going now?
Higher.
Grandpa. How much longer?
Oh, not much. Just up around this next bend. You are an eagle, not a chicken. You were meant to fly. Spread your wings and soar. The world will be yours.
This is it, folks. Henry Bulldog Bracton steps to the plate. Bottom of the ninth, bases loaded, 2 outs, and the Yankees trail by 3 in this, the 7th game of the World Series.
It doesn't look good for the Yanks right now. Bracton's performance hasn't been exactly good.
Larson looks in, gets the sign.
You know, Bracton's only batting 110 for the series, and it'll definitely take a miracle to pull this one off.
Here's the pitch. Swing and a miss. Strike one.
Crowd isn't happy with that one, folks. Bulldog has struck out 9 consecutive times in the last 3 games. One more, and it'll be a new record. I just don't understand the strategy, Joe. They should have a pinch hitter in there.
Ralph, I agree 100%. Here's Larson's pitch. Fastball. Swing and a miss. Strike two.
Well, folks, it looks like Braxton is destined to fail yet again. Just one pitch stands in the way of the Dodgers in the World Championship. Now, Braxton's just not cut out for this kind of pressure.
Here's the 0-2 pitch.
Grandpa, look, he's flying. He's flying. How did you make the eagle fly?
I didn't make her fly, Jennifer. It was her heart. She was an eagle all along. She just couldn't see where she belonged.